Welcome you all to Meet Retouch Season 6 and welcome you all to the first class. And I also want to say thank you for everyone who has contributed to the Meet Retouch from Season 1 to Season 5. And here we are in Season 6. Okay, so I'll be dropping videos like this for you all to watch and practice. And it's going to start from the beginning to the end, cover up everything about retouching, and also I'm going to start from the basic level so as to make everyone participate. And please bear with me if you're already intermediate or you are in the pro field already. Please, I know a lot of people, you are here because of so many things, individual personal interest. Okay, so I just wish I could know, but you can reach out to me if you have something you want me to do for you. Okay, so but for now I'm going to start from the basic level so as to help out those that are starting out in the retouching field. Okay, so let's get started. The first class right is going to give us something like this, from this to this. Okay, so we want to get something like this. So for us to achieve that, I'm going to talk about the retouching tools you can use in getting something like this, from this to this. Okay, all right, so let's get started. The first retouching tool, which you can see all my retouching tools right here. The first one I'm going to talk about, this is just a move tool, so I'm not going to, this is the rectangular Marquee tool, and all these are the same thing. So I like using the rectangular Marquee tool, and this Marquee tool eliminates things in the background, in the sense that you must know how to use it. But before this Marquee tool function, you can use it on a smart object. Like you see, this is a smart object right now. You can see this little logo or little sign underneath it. So let's turn it into a destructive layer, which is, we're going to rasterize the layer, and now we can work on it. So let's say we want to eliminate everything in the background, like this door, this distracting object, this rough edge, and this one. Let's start with this one. You're just going to drag, and if you drag like this, of course you can use something like this if you don't have enough space, but I will advise you take a very large space and make sure you are not selecting the subject, you are selecting the place you want, the place you want to correct. If let's, for instance, I want this place that I'm hovering my mouse over to look like this place I selected. So I'm going to select a larger area, and I'm not going to select the subject. So after selecting, you hit Ctrl T to bring up the transform, and it's going to bring this transform layer. And now you can hold down Shift, because if I take it up, if I drag it without holding Shift, it's going to cover everything. You can see how it's covering, although it's going to cover the place we want to correct, but holding down Shift, we limit just one side of it. So like this, you can see now I've corrected there. You can hit this done button, and that is all you need to do. So you can see how smooth it is. There are some that are going to look very fake. So like this, now you can see this little line that it's showing, and easily someone might look at it and know what it's actually there. So I'm just going to quickly do this side. So just drag it down. Let's take, for instance, we have only this place, so you can limit it. I can stop here and work on it, but I can take it like this and work on it as well. So let's say we want it like this. I'm going to drag it big. Let's do it from here. All right, so now I'm just going to select somewhere from this place, from the top, and drag it downwards like this. So just a little space. I don't want to select this one. You can see this this block, so I'm not selecting that side. So I can hold down Ctrl T to open up the transform, and look at the difference between this place and this side. So hold down Shift and drag out, so you can see what just happened. Now look carefully. You're going to see all these stretchy things all around. Okay, I'm going to show you how to correct that with the next tool. So quickly, let's just quickly finish this one. I'm going to hit done, and again just drag like this quickly and hold down Ctrl T, and that's how you move it. Shift it up and cover the rest part. So that's the first tool, which is the transform 2 plus the Marquee 2.